Welcome everyone to Harbury Field Caravan Park, which is near Royal Leamington Spa.
Feel it in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right and make up for what I've lost. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should.
So Harbury Fields Caravan Park is located just outside the royal town of Leamington Spa. It's a caravan and motorhome club affiliated site, and it has just 58 pitches. Now all of those pitches are fully serviced and hard standing. So we have entrance and reception, and it's with a keypad entry system. Free Wi-Fi is available, but the Wi-Fi is actually you can only pick up the Wi-Fi from within the reception building itself. It does not spread across the whole of the campsite. The reception building doesn't really have much at all. There is a couple of fridges in there that basically have, well, pop, milk, that kind of stuff. So for toilets and showers, there are 6 in total. They're all self-enclosed, so you have obviously the shower, toilet, wash basin. I guess there's a benefit, there's a positive and a negative to the setup here. So you've got 2 here in this block, and then there are 2 further blocks with another 2 in each. The positive, of course, is you can come in here and you're completely self-contained. The negative, I guess, is if you only want to use the toilet, for instance, so it could be somebody using the shower, and therefore you might be unavailable for at least 10-15 minutes. But this is what you get: very clean, very spacious, and each toilet shower unit has heating. Of course, the downside to this is if these are both being used and it's raining, there is no way of being undercover, which leaves you no choice but to either stand in the rain or go and walk further along the campsite and see if there's another one that's available. Could really do with some kind of canopy. There is a bus service that runs at the end of the lane. We used the 665 bus today to go to Royal Leamington Spa. The lane probably takes about 10 minutes to walk to get from your pitch out to the main road. We'll put a link to the stagecoach bus service in the description below this video. We're on plot 38. At the time of filming, on the site map that I'll put on screen now, what it doesn't show is where the bins are. Well, the bins are located at the toilet block that's kind of in the middle of the site. So here we have the Elson Point. It's the only Elson Point on site. So you have the standard recycling and standard rubbish bins basically. There is an additional grey waste water drain available should you so wish. So this is the third and last facilities block, which is on the southern side of the site. We have a little laundry room. This will be the only laundry room on site. Of course, there are only 58 pitches on this site. I can hear little lambs somewhere. Most of the pitches around the perimeter of the site are split off with hedging. The ones in the centre of the site, they're just open. I think I just found my preferred pitch, everyone. That would be pitch number 2. Nice little private lawn area. Little lambers. Hello. Ain't you lovely? So plenty of space if you bring a dog along for a good walk. Fran and Alice are faster than we are. Yeah. Obviously. So we can just about, well, particularly with the louder motorbike in the distance, we can just about make out where the road is in relation to the caravan park, but we genuinely have not heard it at all on our stay during the evening. This is a decent walk. Unlike some YouTube channels, of course, we don't actually have pets ourselves, but we still feel it right that we show you what the site has to offer in these reviews. Now, incidentally, if you follow us on our channel, you'll know that we have 2 kids. They're getting older now, but 2 kids. What the site does not have is any kind of play area. It's just something to note. As you can probably hear on the microphone, everyone, we are in a lovely part of the countryside and it's relatively flat. So the breeze, well, you just seem to notice it more because there's nothing really to slow it down. So on the walk from the caravan park, from the dog walk actually, or what they call the farm stroke dog walk, you can continue that walk. It's about another 1.5 miles in that direction to the little village of Harbury. So what do we think of Harbury Farm caravan site? If you want peace and quiet, and I do, I think it's quite ideal. If you don't rely or need to rely on the reception being stocked up with lots of stuff, if you can cope with the breeze being more than a breeze when the weather chooses to be a little bit windy, the facilities are clean. There's only 58 pitches, so it's a nice modest sized site. And depending on what time of the year, of course, you are next to a working farm and you may be presented with the sound of little lambs. We woke up to the sound of little lambs this morning. They didn't wake us up, but we were aware they were there. And if you want to visit anywhere locally, which would be Roll, Leamington Spa, Warwick, or even Stratford upon Avon, we would recommend it. Do you have anything to say, sheep? Fran's reminding me, we're at the end of the video, everyone. Thank you very much for watching. Now, as always, we're going to say, if you found it informative, please consider hitting that thumbs up button. Doing so tells YouTube's algorithms it was a good video. More people should watch it. If you're not subscribed, why not hit the subscribe button? It'll appear above my head in a few moments. Totally free to do so, but it shows your support and really helps us build our channel. See you soon. Anything to say, sheeps? Meh. Anything to say? Oh, what do you want? No. They're all looking at me thinking, what's that mad brummy going on about? There's a lot to be said about being in the peace and tranquility of the countryside. What do you reckon, everyone? This is definitely my kind of caravan park. Well, I can see the roofs of caravans, campers and motorhomes, so we must be back. Are we back?
Yeah. The caterpillar trees.
To the caterpillar trees. Why is there more here?
Yeah.
Let's go and have a look at the caterpillar trees then.
They look like something from Halloween.
Show me the caterpillar trees then, Alice.
There are more than one of them. There's one here.
Yes, that definitely is.
Here.
They're only doing that because they can't get in. Because I've got the key. You're missing something.